parking lot. Just as I walked over here, there was a nice one that I missed. You can see the little raindrops falling in the puddle. All this for lightning. And I'm really supposed to be in working. Trees be a moving. I'm standing right by this little light. He's gonna hit this. Probably wouldn't be a good thing. And just missed it. Oh man. The most exciting thing that's happening right now is rain's falling. And it's windy. No lightning. There we go. See if we can get one more. What a night to have to work. But it's not doing this at my house, so I'm actually about 15 miles away from the house. $15 miles north of my house, to be exact. Glad I waited. End of day traffic. And the rain's picking up. Well, I gotta get into work, so I think I'm gonna call this quits on this. Didn't get the light show that I wanted to, but it's okay. Anyway, I got 2 or 3 on here, so there was another one. That was kind of cool. Not quite what I'm looking for. So anyway, before it starts pouring and gets any more windy out here, see you later.